Walmart and Instacart solve the same problem, but they work differently. Walmart is built around shopping directly from Walmart, while Instacart focuses on grocery delivery from multiple stores that are available through Instacart. By the end, you'll know which membership makes more sense based on where you shop, how often you order groceries, and what features you actually use. Start with Walmart. Walmart is designed for customers who regularly shop at Walmart. The membership connects directly with Walmart's website and app, making it easier to place grocery orders, schedule deliveries or pickups where available, and manage Walmart purchases in one account. If most of your groceries already come from Walmart, this can be convenient because you don't need a separate grocery delivery platform. You can browse Walmart inventory, add items to your cart, and manage orders through the same Walmart account you already use. Now compare Instacart and Instacart. Instacart is designed for shoppers who want access to multiple grocery retailers through one service. Instead of being tied to one store, Instacart lets customers order from participating stores available in their area. This difference matters if your household shops at several grocery chains. Instacart may offer more flexibility because you can compare stores and choose where to order based on your needs. The biggest factor is where you buy groceries. If you already shop at Walmart every week, Walmart may fit your routine better because it focuses on one retailer. If you frequently switch between different grocery stores, Instacart may provide more variety. Delivery availability also depends on your location. Both services rely on participating stores and delivery coverage in your area. Before paying for a membership, check which stores, delivery options, and benefits are available where you live. You should also consider your shopping habits. A membership only provides value if you use the included benefits often enough. Someone ordering groceries several times a month may get more value than someone who only uses delivery occasionally. Compare the services based on your actual spending. Check your average grocery order, delivery needs, preferred stores, and how often you use online shopping. To recap, Walmart is focused on Walmart shoppers. Instacart gives access to participating stores through Instacart, and the better choice depends on where you buy groceries most often. Before choosing, check both apps in your area and compare the stores, delivery options, and features available to you. If this comparison helped you choose between Walmart and Instacart, like the video and subscribe for more shopping app comparisons and money-saving guides.